In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently align text within your Canva project. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting with Canva, aligning text is an essential skill that can greatly enhance the visual appeal of your projects. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to open the Canva project you're currently working on. You can do this easily by navigating to your Canva homepage, locating your project, and clicking on it to open. This is where all the magic happens, as you have access to a myriad of design tools that Canva offers. Once you have your project open, you'll be able to see your work on the main stage, ready for any adjustments you wish to make. Now let's talk about selecting the text that you want to align. Click on the text box you want to adjust, and you will see that it becomes highlighted. This is your cue that it's ready for modifications. Selecting this text is important because it tells Canva that this element is the one you want to focus on. It's like saying, "Hey Canva, this is where I want to make my design pop." Next, with your text selected, direct your attention to the top of the Canva interface where you'll find the Position button. This is your gateway to alignment options and more. Click on Position and you'll see different ways to position your text in relation to the page. In the Align to Page section, you're presented with multiple choices. You can align your text to the top, left, middle, center, bottom, or right. These options allow you to position your text precisely where it will look best in your design. For instance, if you're looking to create a balanced layout, aligning text to the center might do the trick. On the other hand, a more dynamic design could benefit from aligning text to one side. Remember, experimenting with different alignments can lead to unexpectedly beautiful results. So don't hesitate to try different positioning until you find what works best for your project. And just like that, once you've made your selection, your text will instantly snap to the chosen position. It's a quick and efficient way to ensure your designs look polished and professional. Once you're satisfied with the alignment, you can continue enhancing your design with other Canva tools or save your project to share or print. There you have it. Aligning text in Canva is a simple process, but it can significantly impact the overall feel of your design. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting with different alignments and layouts. Thanks for joining me today, and happy designing.